Hey, it's Steph from Hofkissed. I know it's been a long while. However, I am back. I have been creating like crazy, like crazy. I It's been 2 years since I've done any sort of shows. I do have a website, but it's hard to keep up with that sometimes, taking pictures of all my stuff. This is all the stuff that I have created just in the last couple of weeks, getting ready for spring and Easter. This is my current table of projects. And there's more, but this is what's on my table as I'm preparing and creating. And this is probably, what my brain looks like. It's just a mess, but a chaotic, creative mess. And I am having so much fun. This is why I have to do shows. This is my back storage room. I haven't done show since COVID started. And these are all finished projects. It's crazy the amount of stuff that I have. I am so excited to get back into the craft shows. I have seasonal stuff and everyday stuff, thrifted stuff that I've upcycled, and wreaths and paper products, greeting cards, all sorts of stuff. And you can see why I'm not able to keep up with my website. I love what I do. I love creating, and I'm just ready to get back out there. And yeah, I just wanted to jump in here, and I hope you are doing well, and I'll be back soon, I promise. Take care. Bye.